Hi guys, you are watching High Tech Review and I'm your host Shovik Mitra. Welcome once again to my channel. So today is a quite interesting unboxing for you guys. Many of you are asking about the Intex Aqua i5 Mini. There is many review of the i5 HD, but there is no review about the i5 Mini. It's a i5 Mini, a low budget smartphone. Its price mentioned on the box is 7,450. You can see it 7,450, but you can easily available this phone under 6,500 rupees, and it's a very good phone which we tested. And so I decided to give you a full day preview and an unboxing review of this. So you can see here it's a Intex Aqua i5 Mini, and same this design is same of the i5 HD, possibly the same design, but it's the back side is like a metal finishing. Let's check how the finishing is. And it's a quad core processor based, and you will also get a free flip cover. You can see here the it's mentioned. So let's check some of the specification. You have Hungama Intex Cloud up to 5 GB free memory. You also have the online software update. Intex also said that this device can get KitKat update in upcoming 1 or 2 months, pretty soon. And Intex Game and NQ Vault also supported. Let's check any other device. Yes, it's 4.5-inch FWVG IPS display. 1.3 GHz quad core processor, possibly MediaTek 6582 most probably, and dual camera. It's a rear 8 megapixel autofocus camera, and the front is 2 megapixel. We will definitely check the camera how is it, because Canvas Unite support only 5 megapixel and 1.3 megapixel camera. So in the camera, this device support 8 megapixel, which is pretty good in a budget category. And it's come out of the box 4.2.2 Jelly Bean, but Intex said it will get Android 4.4.4 4.4.2 KitKat pretty soon. 3G supported, Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi hotspot. And you also get some interesting offer inside, mentioned here Tata Docomo. 4.5-inch FWVGA display, quad core dual camera, 3G Bluetooth Wi-Fi, 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery. This is a little bit less, I think, because this category phone comes with a 2000 mAh battery. But the display is also small from the Canvas Unite 2, and ROM RAM is pretty same, 4 GB and 1 GB. And it's also support a one extra sensor, accelerometer, gravity sensor, magnetic sensor, and proximity sensor. Gravity sensor is pretty much appreciated. And this device also support auto call record, here is mentioned. And here is also something written ROHS complaint, which is SAR information complaint. So let's start the unboxing process. The seal is already cut, so let's open it. So first of all, we get the Intex Aqua i5, a pretty good looking, decent looking device, and it's also sit with a cover, which you can see from here. Let's open it right now. Yes, this device shipped with a cover. So here is the cover, plastic cover. So what is the other inside the box? Oh, here we get a S-View type case, magnetic case. You can see it's magnetic. Then we have a charger of, I think it's 750 mAh output, and we also get a earphone. It's gold plated 3.5 mm jack, and here is the microphone. You have also on-off switch. I don't know how it's working or not. Here is a button, and here is the microphone. It's looking pretty nice, but I don't know how it will sound. I will say in my full in-depth preview. And then you have the standard data cable, and you have some booklet and documents, I think. Yes, here you have your warranty card and service center list. Here is the Aqua i5 Mini manual, colorfully printed. And here is also a booklet. It's an app manual, which is interesting. Last thing, we have the battery of 1500 mAh, I guess. Let's put all the things inside the box. And here is the battery, 1500 mAh. So let's open the device first. Here you can see it's a pretty bit streaking out of the box. I don't know it's a fault or anything else. So here you have your two full-size SIM card slot. It's not micro SIM, full-size SIM card slot, and also a micro SD card slot. So let's pop out the battery and lock. It's kind of metal looking finishing, but it's a plastic. You can see here it's a plastic, but finishing is pretty good. Let's lock it. Yeah, now it's locked. Let's lock it. So let's power it on. You get two cover, one is this and one is a magnetic flip cover, which is pretty interesting. And let's unlock. Wow, the interface is kind of iPhone stylish. Here is the backlit button. The viewing angle is okay. It's not a OGS screen. Screen is visible, not visible from this angle and from this angle, but the viewing angle is pretty good. So let's go to the settings. Let's check the Android version first. So it's Android version 4.2.2 out of the box, but fully customized. Let's check the storage option. Here you can see your internal storage 9.8 GB and phone storage 1.74 GB. Nothing else mentioned. In the display you have automatic brightness settings also. In the apps drawer you have 805 MB of free RAM, which is pretty good. In this price segment, 805 MB of free RAM, just 167 MB RAM is used by the system. Let's check the location access. Yes, you have a GPS support, and you also have the audio enhancement option. So let's check the user interface. It's kind of iPhone style user interface, iOS type of. You don't have any menu button here. So you can have a little camera option. I don't know how is it. Pretty good user interface, customized user interface. And you also have the theme option. Here is all the theme. You can see this is your default theme, comes with Intex, and you have this kind of effect also, but you don't have any kind of what can say app drawer button. So let's check the camera. How is the camera user interface? Because this device comes with a 8 megapixel camera in the budget category. Let's check the camera. How is it? Wow, I'm impressed with the camera. Pretty good. In my opinion, camera is pretty good. You can see the camera viewing angle. And let's hit the front camera also. Here is also a front camera, so you can see the front camera is also kind of good. So the camera is pretty good. I think this device can support a full HD video mode, so let's check. Yes, you can record full HD video. You have 8 megapixel. In full screen you get 6 megapixel. The camera is very good. In our testing we said the camera is pretty good. Take a quick shot, and it's the full zoom. The text quality is crisp and clear. So guys, here is the quick unboxing and apps menu of the Intex Aqua i5 mini. So I'm gonna quickly come back with the full review and gaming review and many more camera reviews. So please visit my channel. If you like my review, please hit the like button, and if you like my work, please subscribe my channel for more upcoming review. This is Shobik Mitra signing off. Hope to see you in my next review. Thank you.